Today, I'm heading to my local Costco to bring you 10 more unique finds this February 2024. If this is your first time here, welcome to the Cozy Nest YouTube channel. I post monthly updates on all my favorite finds, deals, and steals, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll roll right into it. Starting us off with item number 1, Costco has rolled out these Luna 8 light LED island pendants. Now these come with 950 lumen LED bulbs as well as complete dimmability, so you can set this to any light setting that you want. On top of that, those LEDs are surrounded with smoked glass shades, and this whole thing is finished in a matte black to give you an elegant look, and they're available right now for 99 bucks. Next up is the bag I've seen everybody talking about online. This is Costco's new Beachcomber bag, and as you can see, they're available in 2 shades, the small accessory bag in the center to get you everything you need, and they're available right now at Costco for 40 bucks. Next up, let's freshen up that closet with the Seville Classics woven hamper. Personally, I'm going to be picking up a pair of these because it's time to update from those old cloth hampers. Now that polyester liner is removable if you need to wash it, so if you want to join me and pick up a pair for yourself, they're available for $17.99. For item number 4, let's check out these Sanctuary home and office safes. Now these have a fireproof rating of 120 minutes and are also completely waterproof to keep these documents safe whether you have a home robbery or a natural disaster. These come with a quilted and padded interior with completely configurable tempered glass shelves to keep these organized however you like. They're so sure about their product, they offer a lifetime warranty, so if you want to pick one up for yourself, Costco has these available for $289.99. Now if you like that one but just need something a little bit larger, Sanctuary also has their 6-foot reserve executive safe. Now these also come with completely customizable organization and storage with a 60-minute fire rating and a 7-day water rating. These are of course covered by that same lifetime warranty, and they're available right now for $629.99. Now it's time to go from extra sturdy to extra soft. This is Costco's new Pikachu Squishmallow. This thing is 2 foot in size, which is absolutely ginormous, and they are so soft to the touch. As you can see, these are the Squishmallow brand, which means you can count on the quality, and these things are built to last. They're available right now for $39.99. Item number 7 is our Progressive Prokeeper 3-piece product keeping set. Now these are handy thanks to their side vents that allows your produce to breathe and stay fresh, and these are available right now for $24.99. Now for something I know we've all been looking for. This is the Link Home 40-foot retractable extension cord. Now this thing actually self-retracts, so you can mount this maybe anywhere in your garage or even in your home if you'd like. No more wrapping up those dirty extension cords by hand and having to worry about unknotting them every time you pick them out. These are rated for 125 volts and come with all the mounting hardware you need to set these up, and they're available right now at Costco for $49.99. If you have an unreliable printer and are looking to upgrade, Costco has these HP OfficeJet printers to save you some time. These can be remotely controlled from your phone or computer by just simply setting these up on your Wi-Fi network. With your purchase, these come with a free 6 months of instant ink. So if you're interested in upgrading, Costco has these on sale for 129 bucks. Now for item number 10, check out the super cozy egg chair that Costco has available. These things are very comfortable to sit on. I saw not only myself, but quite a few other people taking a break from their shopping and just cozying up in these things. Now these are UV and mildew resistant, which means they'll have a longer lifespan while sitting outside. I really just love that woven wicker that makes you feel like you're wrapped up in a comfy cocoon, and these are available for 500 bucks. That's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and leave me a comment if you think I missed anything, and I'll see you next time.